What's up, guys? Okay, so RLOG backfired on me completely. I'm not too disappointed in RLOG just because it was my trade idea was correct. I just need a broker that I can sell in after hours and pre-market. You can see it went all the way up to 119. This is the one I called out in the power hour stream. And it went all the way to 119 and then washed out to 71 and a half. So I'm still almost break even, down maybe $3, but disappointed for sure. I'm also watching SORL, and for some reason I'm holding SOL overnight. I didn't even realize I was. Let me see what SOL is doing. It's not doing anything. I don't even remember getting in this trade, which is kind of freaking me out a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and add my watch list to the chat. SORL. Pushing up nicely. Got rejected at $9. Going to watch it over 9. Watching MOSY to see if it can hold over 2. Watching SNMX to see if it holds over $1. Let's see. Also watching MARK. Gapping down a little bit. We'll see if it can follow through, break that 510 area. Another shipping stock is DRYS. Washing out a little bit, JAGX. Gapping up a little bit. SGMO, CERG. Let's see. I know there's a few other ones. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my watch list to the chat. WPRT is another one. Let's see. Okay, so there's my watch list. I'm still looking for other ones though. But yeah, what do you guys think on RLOG? Do you think I should hold and see if it runs a little bit at the open? I think my entry is at 76 cents. So I entered it right here. Should I hold this one, see if it runs at the open? I don't know what I should do. I'll probably just sell. But I mean, it could bounce back. Who knows? Let's look at the past chart from this one. I guess it depends. Good morning, Ant. Good morning, Dave. Do you guys see RLOG? Like, absolutely ridiculous, man. Absolutely ridiculous. I was right about my trade idea. I just need to get a broker where I can actually sell in after hours or pre-market. If I could get a broker where I could sell in after hours and pre-market, I think I could do really well swing trading. Because of this one, I called this one out here. It went all the way up to 119. My theory on why it works, my theory on why this type of trade works is the same theory on why it ended up washing out as well. Because my theory is, with these specific trades, is that whenever it pushes up like this right before the close, maybe it's insiders that know something that we all don't, and so they start buying it early, trying to ride the big push up. But since this big push is from insiders to begin with, and since it starts to push up here, when those insiders sell and dump their position, it starts to wash out. And so that's my theory on it. So I just need to get a broker where I can sell in after hours and pre-market. Yeah, and it's rough, man. I was pretty frustrated. I mean, it could always bounce back. I mean, I got in at 75 cents, 76 cents maybe, 75 or 76. And so I mean, I'm not down, but it's just frustrating. It goes all the way up 25% and then drops all the way back down to basically break even, a little bit under break even. Yeah, Joe, I just need a broker. Like, during the power hour stream, I went over RLOG. This is the one I called out, and it pushed up huge all the way to 119. I just need a broker where I can sell in after hours and pre-market, because this isn't the first time it happened. So, like, my thesis was correct on it. I'm pretty sure it pumps up right before the close because insiders know something that we all don't. Right, so insiders that hold company shares, they might start buying a little bit early before the close so they don't have to get hit with the spread and after hours or pre-market or whatever it is. And so they start buying it a little bit early, right? And that's why this strategy works, right? But whenever they decide to sell their position in after hours and pre-market and profit whatever they're going to do, it didn't even have big volume on this drop. Like, the volume was still low, so it's like they're just selling off their position here. So I need a broker where I can sell in after hours and pre-market, and it will end up working out. I just need to get a broker where I can sell. I know Robinhood offers a certain plan that lets you trade pre-market and after hours, so we'll see. Good morning, Buddha. Yeah, that's what I was saying, Ramiro. Yeah, I was happy when I saw this one yesterday. I mean, here's the thing. Like, I'm not even disappointed because my trade idea worked. Like, it gapped up in a huge way. Like, if I just need a broker that I can sell in after hours and pre-market to take advantage of it more. Because, I mean, this pattern happens a lot. And you guys saw my 3-month Robinhood chart. Like, I'll show you guys my 3-month chart. Let me see. Here it is. Yeah, like, this is my 3-month Robinhood chart. So, I mean, I'm net profit in the last 3 months for sure. If I can get it to load. It is. So that's my 3-month profit and loss chart. And so I've been using this strategy, and I'm net profit, and so I'm happy with it. I just need to get to I just need to get a broker where I can sell in after hours and pre-market. I'm also in SOL. I don't even remember getting in this one, but I'm holding it at 40 shares. Oh, I think I got in this one for a swing trade to see if it could push over this 338 point. That 338 point is going to be the resistance. We'll see though. Yeah, that makes sense, Joe. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, but yeah, I do like MOSY. MOSY is at 194 now. We'll see if we can get over this 204 high. I'm going to look to see if I can find any more movers this morning. Yeah, SORL had a crazy push. It's up to 860. Right, Dave. That's true. I need something that goes. I need something where I can trade until after hours is done at 8 p.m. Because you can see, like, at one point in this trade, I was up a decent amount, like $30 or something like that for a very small share size. and it just came all the way back down, which rarely happens. It kind of had me pretty frustrated just because this rarely happens when a stock goes up 25% and then drops under the open or under where it closed at. That rarely happens. And so it's getting manipulated a little bit by somebody, you know. I would say maybe somebody saw my power hour stream and my call out and they were trying to sabotage me, but I know that's not being practical just because it takes millions and millions of shares to move a stock like this. And so this is probably an insider, which is why this, pattern works to begin with, why this strategy works to begin with, is because, the basic premise of the strategy is when a stock has no volume throughout most of the day and then gets a late day volume spike here, and my theory on why it works is because insiders know something we don't, and so they know it's going to go up, and so they start buying it a little bit early before the close so they can ride the big gap up. And for the same reason that it works is the same reason it washed out. When those insiders start to sell, it's going to, and sell that huge position they took, it's going to wash out, if that makes sense. But this rarely happens where it goes all the way up 25% and then down more than 25%. It went up from 75, or yeah, it went up like 35% or something like that. And so, crazy move. I know it was you, Team Blue, But no, I was telling one of my friends that tinfoil hat guy that thinks I've been pumping up stocks is probably freaking out right now, yelling at the computer screen or something. The guy that thinks I'm pumping up stocks using with my my little 1,000 subscribers and 50 people in my stream, he's probably freaking out right now with his tinfoil hat on, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry guys, my father-in-law's in town, so he was chatting me up here. What's up, guys? DMPI? Yeah, we'll see. DMPI's gapping up. I kind of like it a little bit. But yeah, it's just, I mean, here's the thing. Like, you can see by my 3 month chart on Robinhood, like I'm net profit in the last 3 months, a pretty decent amount. I've had some few setbacks, but I usually rebound it pretty well. And I can be wrong a lot of times with this setup. Like, I can be wrong with this setup a few times, but when I'm wrong, it's usually pretty small losses because rarely does a stock push up this much and then wash out huge. I mean, sometimes it does, I guess, but a lot of the times it will end up pushing up and holding. And so I can be wrong a few times and be break even or even take small losses. But the few times that I'm right are going to overpower they're going to compensate for the, many times I'm wrong in this swing trading strategy. And so. Good morning, Pierre. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so my favorite is probably MOSY. Oh yeah, CARG is up big. It's a little bit more expensive of a stock. I was watching this one already. My son's yelling. He's home from school again, still sick. Father-in-law's in town. But he finally left, and so now I can actually watch the market. Let's see if... Good morning, Platinum. What's up, guys? Platinum, man. How about RLOG, man? What a ridiculous move this thing made. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Joe. I want to wait for a pullback. It's up huge. Yeah, Nerve. Where you been, Nerve? I haven't seen you in a while. Hold on. Yeah, here, I'll go ahead and add it again. Here's the watch list for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm debating on what I should do with RLOG. I don't know if I should hold it, see if it can run a little bit, or just sell as soon as the open hits and take my $5 loss on this one. See if I can find anything else. Yeah, I like MOSY though. We'll see if this one can follow through here. Break this $2 point. I know, Platinum, you see that, man? They were running at the close. See, I was exactly right with my thesis though, man, with my theory on it, man. I was right with this one. My trade idea was correct. I need a broker that I can sell in after hours. If I had a broker where I could sell in after hours, I'd still be up $30, but I can't do that with Robinhood, which is why, especially for swing trading, I need to get a real broker. You know, Ustock's okay. You know, Robinhood's decent, but I still can't trade in after hours or pre-market with it. And so that's the biggest thing I need to do. I would be up big if I could. My son's in there yelling at my wife now. He's home from school again, which is never fun. ACR, big washout. SKLN. Apparently it has news of a merger for SKLN. Gonna watch this one. Let's see what else. See if I could find anything else moving. Oh, SPI as well, guys. Check out SPI. SPI is pushing up decent. Gave up a big chunk of that gain, though. It's down to 130, went up to 160. So gonna keep an eye on SPI. Wasn't SPI just under $1 these last few days? Have I missed the run on this one? Maybe not, I guess. Let me see. No, not really. I thought this one was higher. Or lower. Who knows? ANTH sitting right at 2. Let's see what else. I really like MOSY if it can break over 204. Gonna be watching that point with this one. Hold on one second. Okay, so also APHB. Sorry, guys. APHB over $1. APHB, ADHD. A lot of stocks gapping up and then washing out this morning. Let's see if I can find anything else. Still looking. Alright, so right now I have MOSY, SORL. I don't like ADHD as much. Maybe SKLN. Although it gave up a lot of that push. SGMO, maybe. WPRT. SPI, maybe. Finding a lot of support at 130. We'll see if it can hold over that. I'm thinking about a dip buy on ROKU. I had somebody from our chat room talk about maybe doing this, so I'm watching it as well. RLOG back up to break even for me. Maybe it'll run here. We'll see. Yeah, I guess I'll give RLOG a little bit of time at the open. We'll see. Set a stop loss for 70 cents. See if it can push back up. JAGX. Yeah, I'm watching this one on the other list. We'll see. You know, it's been moving a decent amount these last few days. See if APHB can hold over 1. Maybe RCON. CGA pushing up a little bit. UVXY moving. TVIX maybe. UGAZ. All right, so we have some, a bunch of gappers, but we don't have that much volume with any of them except for maybe SORL. Yeah, I don't know what happened to Black Monday, man. Who knows? Yeah, I mean, Wednesdays are the slowest day of the week for streaming anyway. I think it's just the middle of the week, less people are trading. Mondays are we get the most traffic here on Mondays, maybe Fridays as well. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays are always a little bit slower. Yeah, I'm watching SPI, Gertzy. SPI is kind of forming a little channel here. Not really a channel, but it's holding support at 130, so I'm going to watch it over that. I'm watching MOSY. It's probably my favorite one right now if it can break over 204. So I'm watching it. SPI breaking under 127. WPRT's having a late day push. All right, guys, we got 1 minute. Good morning, Andre. Okay, I'll give that a shot, Dave. Appreciate it, man. All right, guys, 10 seconds. Good luck. Hopefully everybody can make some money today. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. MOSY is probably my favorite one right now. Limited liquidity. I don't know what's going on. Now I'm filled. Great. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out of this one for a $6 loss. Faked me out a little bit. We'll see if it bounces back here. It may. SORL may be coming back. SGMO, guys. Check out SGMO. Yeah, this one's not. Oh my goodness. This one just had a crazy drop. That's not a good start to the day. I don't even remember getting in this one. And it's not letting me out. Great. No volume. Wow. I am stuck in SOL. Yeah, and this is the dangers of using U stocks sometimes, guys. I'm stuck. It's not letting me out. And this has never happened to me before. And I'm not liking this at all. Because nobody else is trading this one. Great. QRHC. Wow, QRHC is pushing up nice. Man, U stock is not doing me right this morning, man. Not getting filled on anything. Not able to exit anything. Wow. Can't get out of this one. I guess I just gotta let this one sit. Gotta watch for a 1 minute pullback here on QRHC and its limited liquidity. Wow. This is ridiculous. RLOG coming back here. Maybe that'll save my day here so far because I'm stuck in SOL, unable to exit this position. Here we go, RLOG up to 80 cents. There we go. I finally got out of SOL. Whew, that scared me for a second, guys. But it let me out, so that's good. QRHC is no longer limited liquidity. And RLOG is pushing up nicely. I'm up $9, $10. At least it let me out. Good thing I didn't get in QRHC because it just reversed pretty hard. Trying to give RLOG a little bit of time, but I might exit here. YGE. YGE, guys, pushing up really nicely. Up to 230. Big volume spike. We'll see if it follows through. Yeah, I got to stop on RLOG set at break even now. I'll try to give it a little bit of time to run. VSI, guys, check out VSI. All right, I'm in YGE, 30 shares. Down to 229. ADMA, maybe. Let's see. ADMA, guys. Huge push. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this one. It's not doing what I want it to. ADMA, guys, up to 347. A lot of big runners this morning. CATS. Wait for a pullback on ADMA here. There's a pullback. We'll see if it follows through. Big pullback. I don't like it as much. Let's see. There's CATS. Oof, I think I've stopped out of RLOG after that drop. Crazy drop on YGE as well. And ADMA. RCON. Everything's dropping huge, guys. Wow. Watching RCON here to see if the volume picks up. Yeah, I got stopped out of RLOG for a break-even trade. So, I mean, I didn't lose money, but at one point in this trade, I was up $30, and so it's definitely disappointing. ABID. A lot of fake outs this morning. Check out ABID over 544 or 545. Don't like it as much. I kind of like RCON here. It's running a little bit. There goes RCON's volume. A little bit late to get in it. I kind of missed my entry. Wait for a pullback. VSI as well, LABD. Yeah, LABD's running as well. Let's see. Possibly. Yeah, maybe a washout long setup on some of these, but these are big drops, and so they're probably following the market maybe. Have to check. Let's look at the SPY. Yeah, the SPY's washing out. I mean, in actual day trades, I'm only down $3. And so if you count that SOL overnight hold, I'm down $12. But I didn't even mean to get into that trade. I don't know why. It didn't have any volume. The pullback's too big for RCON for me to like. You can trade in after hours in pre-market, Levi. Tough day to trade, honestly. It's a really tough day, it looks like. A lot of fake outs, a lot of big drops. SPY's going down. So a lot of fake outs. So be careful. Today's a really tough day, I can tell. Nothing's following through, really. Everything's kind of faking out, washing out. So be careful, guys. Really tough day. But yeah, nothing's really following through this morning. Yeah, remember how I said there goes AVID. I'm just worried it's going to get rejected at 550. Remember how I said Roku was a good dip buy? Look at this thing now. I can't take the credit for that. Rick from our chat room is actually the one that called this one out. ROKU. Maybe VSI. Teetering around that high of the day at 395. We'll see. ACRX maybe. No. AVID breaking over the 550s. AVID up to 560, just about 560, 559 and AVID's pushing up nicely. Almost got in this one, but I never pulled it. If I could find it. There it is. Almost got into it. Never got in, but almost. Almost doesn't count though. LABD here. At 601. CHFS. CHFS is halted on the way up at 425. VSI. Yeah, VSI is struggling to get over 4. Yeah, a lot of times it doesn't have it. Pierre, a lot of times that's the case. Yeah, I'm not finding QRCH. QRHC. I need to clear some of this out. All right. Nice trade, Andre. Good job, bro. DS, guys. Check out DS. Slow grind up. See if the volume picks up a little bit here. No DS on U stock, it doesn't look like. Nope. Oh, can't trade DS. LABD up to 602. It's struggling though. Got up to 603. We'll see if it follows through. There's been a lot of fake outs today. Watching LABD here breaking over 603. Gonna wait. Alright, so I wonder when CHFS is gonna resume. Should be resuming sometime soon. There it goes. CHFS just resumed much higher. Up to 540. Stocks like this, I like to buy 10 shares. Alright, so I'm in this one with only 10 shares. Gotta give it a little bit of time, see if it can push. Continue. Back down to 480s. $451, there it goes. 454. 460. Did it just get halted again? Uh-oh. I think this one's halted again, guys. Yep. Whew. Let's see if it gaps up this time. Now I'm stuck in the halt. I only have 10 shares, and so, I mean, the most I'll lose is like $30 maybe. If it's really bad luck, $30. If it's not too bad luck, maybe $15, $10. And if it's good luck, it'll gap up to 6. We'll see. Oof. LEJU, guys. LEJU up to 183 now. Yeah. True all your base. VBIV maybe. Up to 450. Hopefully it works out and it gaps up to 6. Maybe 650 would be nice. Although that was a big gap up. I'm a little bit worried about this one. Appreciate it, Ali. Yeah, that's why I only buy 10 shares of that one, man. Just because if it goes my way, it should push up a few dollars. Just because it's definitely getting pumped right now. And if it doesn't go my way, I mean, it's only 10 shares. If it gaps all the way down to 450, I lose $10. So not bad. I'm not too disappointed in it. Yeah, Andre, you barely dodged that halt, man. It's a tough day to trade, honestly. Not a lot pushing except for CHFS. We'll see if it gaps up some. MARK maybe, guys. Oof, look at that violent drop on LEJU. Not a huge drop. I mean, it's only 15-cent drop, but looks bad on the chart. MARK maybe. WPRT pushing up. EPE pushing up. CHFS, I'm not sure what's going on with it. Let me look it up. No, I don't see any news on CHFS. Not on Thinkorswim. There we go. Up to 601. See if it tries to come back here. 612. There we go. 627, 647, and I'm out for a $12 profit. Well, that worked out with my little 10 shares. And it just was labeled limited liquidity, so worked out. So I'm about break even on the day now, even with my SOL trade. Just day trading, I'm up $10, maybe a little bit less than that, $9 maybe. But I'm about break even with my horrible SOL overnight hold. Almost up to 7 now. Yeah, I was lucky with that one, guys. But that's why I buy only 10 shares. Because if it goes the wrong way, I'm relatively protected. But if it does this, you know, I can make a decent amount of gains in a very short period of time. Up to 7 now. I'm not touching this thing now. If it gets halted again, it may never resume in my opinion. Who knows? But it could keep running. There's no telling with these crazy stocks these last few days. ROKU. Up over 7 now. Yeah, we'll see what CHFS does here. Pulling back a little bit. We'll see if it breaks over that previous high of the day now. Up to 712. It's still going. Struggling at 7. Up to 719, man. This thing is strong. CATS, guys, up to 403. And U-Stock doesn't have it. Great. Up to 726 now, guys. Crazy move on CHFS. I could have held it, but I mean, I just took profits when I should have. Or when I could, you know. I could have held it, been up maybe $20 by now, but, you know. Too risky. I made my little 10 shares work with me. It's halted again. Wow. ARQL, guys. ARQL's pushing up. Or it was pushing up. See if it follows through. Back up to 136, down to 133. ARQL showing some strength here. ARQL up to 137. That's rough Q. Yeah, Andre, don't worry about it, bro. I mean, the key to trading is protecting your account, man. And so don't feel bad about it. You know, you're green on the day, so be happy about it, man. You know. I was just lucky, you know, and that's why I used 10 shares. I was just lucky with that one. Don't stress about it, Q. Yeah, ARQL does look shady. I'm watching RIOT, I'm sorry, trying to break this 250 high of pre-market. It's at 745 now. It's 750 high. Sorry. Alright, so we got RIOT, ARQL, although I'm skeptical of it. Alright, so there goes RIOT breaking over it at 758 now. Don't worry about it, Nerve. $15 today isn't too bad, man. It's only three $5 bills, bro. Today's been tough trading, though. Yeah, there goes ARQL. You were correct, Andre. I thought it looked a little shady, too, but today's been tough trading. Man, Andre, you made $550 on CHFS already. I'm happy with my $10 gain. Daddy. Yeah, buddy. I want to watch you. No, bud. Daddy's working right now, buddy. I want to watch you. No. I'm going to watch you quiet. No, bud. I know you're going to be quiet. Everybody want to say hey to my son? Say hey, Jack. Hey. Say hi, everyone. Hey. He's homesick today. Here, why don't you go see your mama? Hey, bud, why don't you go lay down? Thank you, buddy. He's supposed to be sick, but he sprints off running. Must be feeling horrible. He ran off already, guys. Yeah, he's at home sick today. All right, so CHFS resumed higher again at 773 now. Its highs at 780. Crazy move. CATS pushing up really big, up to 429. Got pushed right back down to 415. Crazy move on CHFS though, up to $8. Man. $8, man. That's a crazy push. Yeah, he was watching me make, and it got halted again right at $8. This is going to be the key halt right here. We'll see what it does. It may get rejected here at 8. Who knows? But crazy move. What's up, for real? Welcome in. CHFS. Let me see. I'll look it up really quick. It's CHFS Solutions, CHF Solutions. It's in healthcare. It's a healthcare equipment company, I think. Well, yeah, it's in healthcare. Yeah, CHFS's big thing is aquapheresis. It's an alternative therapy for diuretic resistant ADHF patients suffering from fluid overload. Have zero idea what that means. Have no clue what that means. But it's in healthcare, apparently. There you go. CATS big drop. The big thing with CHFS is I didn't see any news on it. The last news was like a week ago, maybe, and so most likely a pump. Yeah, there's not really any news that I see. If you see any news on CHFS, let me know because I don't see any. Maybe WPRT. SITO, guys. SITO filled the entire gap, broke over the 750s. Now it's up over that at 778. All right, so CHFS resumed higher again. It's at 888 now. Crazy. Is this thing gonna wash out now? It's at 850. Up to 876, 888, 940. Wow. 956. Still moving up, guys. CHFS. Crazy move today. 910. 892. Long upwick here. We'll see if it pushes back. 930. 950 again. At the high of day now. Halted again. Nope. Looks like it's going to get halted again, guys. Who knows? Maybe not. 970. Reached the high of 987. Now 991. Crazy move. Should have held. Be up like $40, but I took profits. Can't be mad at that. Looks like it's halted again here now at 991. Yep. There's the halt. Crazy. $70K profit, Ali. Really? $70,000 profits, Ali. Seriously? If that's true, man, awesome job. Congrats. Oh, yeah, it's halted, Ant, for sure. Oh, paper trading. I was going to say that's life-changing money right there. 70,000. Still a good trade, bro. Good job, man. WKHS had a big push over 3 now. Up to 313. Watching WKHS here. WKHS. Alright, I'm in WKHS. See if it could follow through here with 20 shares. Down to 306. $304. Yeah, it's not following through. I'll give it a little while longer. The volume's good on it, but it doesn't look like it's going to follow through. Up to 312 again. Back down to 308, 310. Down to 305 again, 303. Look at those down. Look at those big down wicks on this one. $3.13, $3.16. There we go. Now it's a big up wick. $3.15. $3.18. $3.24. There we go. This one's moving crazy though. Back down to $3.13. Back up to $3.19, $3.15. I didn't realize I bought 20 shares. I wanted 30, but hey, we'll see what it does. $3.13 again, $3.11. Back down to $3.11. $3.10 again. Fake out. $3.08. Yeah, I can't figure WKHS out now. It's being really crazy. $3.06, $3.10 again. Back up to $3.14, $3.11. This one's being crazy. Back down to $3.10. Just gonna set my stop loss at 3. INFN kind of creeping up. So CHFS resumed and now it's at 9.10. It got resumed on the way down. Man, WKHS is moving so quick. Thinkorswim can't keep up with it. I'm curious what CHFS is going to do here. $3.19. You said it goes down to the 9 EMA? Yeah. It's on rumors, Andre. Yeah, I mean, I got 20 shares. I set a stop loss for 3. And so max loss is 350 on this one. We'll see if those rumors can keep it going. Alright, so it's sitting at 316 now. The biggest thing I'm worried about is when it does finally break that 9 EMA, it may drop big, but I'm relatively protected in it. I used a really small sizing. There it goes. Almost right on cue. I'll give it a little bit of time to see if it holds the 9 EMA again, but looks doubtful at this point. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out here. About a $2 loss. But yeah, guys, I got to shut the stream down now. My wife has to go somewhere, and so I have to watch my son for a little bit. But yeah, I'm down about $2 on the day. And so, only because of that overnight hold. If I was just, I'd be up $10, maybe $8 if it was just day trading. But I don't know why I got in SOL yesterday, but I did. And so, down about, let me see, $2. I can't remember, $2 or $3, something like that. But yeah, guys, I got to shut the stream down. I've got to watch my son while my wife goes somewhere. So be sure to come check out our live stream tomorrow morning starting at 8:45 a.m. So check that out, guys. I'm going to bring my laptop with me. I may jump in something else, so I'll try to record it if I do and upload that. And if you appreciate this content, guys, if you appreciate this live stream, calling out what's moving in the market as well as day trading live, make sure you hit that like button right now. We definitely appreciate the support, guys. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and want to see me day trade every morning. If you click the bell next to the subscribe button, it will alert you every time I go live, guys. So make sure you check that out when you have time. And yeah, guys, good luck for the rest of the day. I'll let you guys know if I get in anything else. And good luck in the markets, guys.